Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be solving a proportion. This is when we have a fraction equal a fraction. So there are lots of methods to do this. One is most common, called the cross multiply, which I will show you, but I also call this the same thing as the butterfly, and you'll see why. So we're going to start off with our first half of our butterfly with 6 times 3. We're going to set that equal to the other half of our butterfly or cross multiply with 4 times x plus 4. We're putting x plus 4 in parentheses because it is 2 terms. And there you have it, your butterfly. We're going to continue solving. So we have 6 times 3 is 18. We're going to distribute our 4 to both terms. We get 4x plus 16. We're going to continue solving with our inverse operations, subtracting 16 from both sides. We have 2 equals 4x. Next, we're going to divide by 4 on both sides. And then our last step here is to reduce the 2 over 4 to 1/2 equals x as our answer. If we do not love fractions, we can leave this as a decimal. 0.5 equals x. And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.